How to install WeatherTech mats. A step-by-step guide. Step 1. Remove old mats. Step 2. Bask in the glory of WeatherTech mats. Step 3. Open your knife. Step 4. Get down like an old man. Step 5. Take the hanger off. Step 6. Cut the plastic. Step 7. Pretend to read directions. And then remember, I'm a guy, I don't read directions. Step 8. Open retainer hooks. Step 9. Remove old retainer hooks. Step 10. Install new retainer hooks. Step 11. Tic-tac break. Step 12. Install WeatherTech mats. Step 13. Be very confused because the retainer hooks don't line up. Step 14. Read directions that I threw out earlier. Step 15. Cut the mat in the designated areas for the retaining hooks. Step 16. Try again. Step 17. Be very confused because the retaining hooks still don't line up. Step 18. Move on to the other side. This side doesn't have retaining hooks, so it's much easier. Step 19. Success!